John is thinner than his brother Michael.
Great! You got a higher mark than last year.
This is the biggest fish we have ever caught.
Mary feels she is the loneliest girl in the world.
I think my cat is the cutest cat in the world.
This is the most popular ride of the amusement park.
He is cleverer than me. He is more clever than me.
This is the best dress in the shop.
She is tired because she went to bed later than usual.
The boy wearing the grey t-shirt is running more slowly than the other boy.
Jane is as tall as her friend Mary. They have the same height.